do me a favor, help us to grow. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's gonna help us, and it's also gonna help you to get more great content. God bless, enjoy this next video. Back to the one. And this is the Christmas season, and we're exploring another Christmas song. This time around, we're going to be covering the chords and progressions that relate to the song Away in a Manger. We're going to be in the key of F major. Let's check out the number system and scale. All right, so F is the 1, G is the 2, A is the 3, B flat is the 4, C is the 5, D is the 6, E is the 7, and we're back at the 1, F. So that's the number system and scale for the key of F major, and it's very important that you get familiar with the number system and scale because that helps you to understand the chord progressions that happen whenever I say, okay, we're gonna do a 7-3-6 or a 2-5-1. That's in direct relationship to the scale, and that's what the left hand is gonna play. So if I say we're on the 2, that means we're gonna play a 2 chord, but the left hand is gonna play the 2. So the 2 is G. Like this is the key of F major. G is the second tone of the F major scale, which is the 2. So that would mean you would play G in your left hand. If I said we do a 2-5-1, that would mean we would go from G to C to F, and we will play the right chords that work well with those particular tones. So when it comes down to playing music, from a basic harmony approach, you're gonna find that you have primary chords. You should know this by now if you've seen enough of the lessons here in the Gospel Music Training Center, but there are primary chords and there are also secondary chords. So what are those? Do you like what you see on this channel? Do you wanna help us to grow? Then do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any more of the great content we got coming your way.